Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert basically a SIM card into this device. Now, there is no space for SD cards, so that's why there's gonna be only a SIM card. So let's start off by popping out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, so right over here where the pin is holding. As you can see, once I push it in, the tray will pop out. And let's take it out all the way. There we go. And here you have space for two different SIM cards on either side of the tray. There we go. You can see there is one side, and then if we flip it over, we also have space for the second SIM card. Now once you place it on here, simply try not to drop it like I just did, making it fall apart. So let's do that again. There we go. So let's insert it back into the phone. And we should have a pin on the screen. There we go. So enter SIM card pin. And there we go. And that's it. The card is already working. And that is how you would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.